Dear students of class 7, today we are going to start the chapter number 5, exponents and powers. First of all, we have to know what is exponent and powers. We can write any number in the form of a raised to the power b. It can be read as a raised to the power b. In other words, a raised to the power n. That means we can write a raised to the power n equals to a multiply a multiply a n times, or vice versa, a multiply a multiply a multiply a can be written as a raised to the power 4. A raised to the power 3 can be written as a multiply a 3 times. It is very simple to learn. Now we can solve the questions of exercise 5.1. The question number 1 is evaluate the following. Now 5 raised to the power 3 will be equals to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5 25 multiply 5 125. Very simple. And third is 2 raised to the power 9. That means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiplied by 2 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 3 and 3. Now the final answer is 2 multi 2 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 2 ja 32 32 multi 2 is 64 64 multi 2 is 128 multiplied 2 is 216 multiplied by 2. Now 8 multi 8 multi 8 will be equals to 512. Now in the second question, write the following in exponential form. The first one is 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiply 8 multiplied by 8 5 times. That means 1 2 3 4 5. That means we can write 8 raised to the power 5 is answer. Now find the cube of the following numbers and express each of the following in power notation. The question number third is in power notation. 125 can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 3 times will be equals to 5 raised to the power 3. And if given number is in minus, then minus 216 minus 6 multiply minus 6 multiply minus 6 is minus 6 raised to the power 3. It is very simple to solve. And the question number fourth is find the cubes. Minus 12 cube, that means minus 12 multiplied by minus 12 multiplied by minus 12. Minus multi minus plus and then multiplied by minus is minus 12 multi 12 is 144 and then 144 multiplied by 12. 12 4 ja 48, carry over 4, 12 4 ja 48 and 4 52, carry over 5, 12 1 is 12 and 5 17. 1 7 2 8. Similarly, you can solve the question number 5 and 6. If in the question number 6 we have given numbers 7 raised to the power 3, that means the base is 3, base is 7 and exponent or power is 3, and in expanded form is 7 multi 7 multi 7, and value is equals to 343. This is the value of given question. This is the expanded form of given number. And then the question number 7, simplify the following. Minus 5 raised to the power 4. Minus 5 raised to the power 4, that means we can write minus 5 is multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 in 4 times. Minus multi minus plus, minus multi minus plus, then answer will be in plus. 5 multi 5 25, 25 multi 25 is 625. It is very simple to solve. And its question number 3rd is minus 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by minus 4 raised to the power 2. Now minus 3 in 3 times and minus 4 in 2 times. Then we can calculate the number of minus sign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means answer will be in minus 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 and 4 4 ja 16. Then we can multiply 27 by 16. 6 7 ja 42, carry over 4. 6 2 ja 12 and 4 16, and then 2 13, carry over 1 and 4. It will be equals to minus 432. It is very simple to solve. Similarly, the question number 8 is also same. Minus 3 raised to the power 3, that means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will be equals to minus minus minus, that means minus 27. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Now question number 9 is compare the following. Compare, that means 2 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 5. Directly we can say 2 raised to the power 5 is greater. 2 raised to the power 4, that means 2 multi 2 multi 2 4 times, and 2 raised to the power 5 in 5 times. Then we can say 2 multi 2 4, 4 multi 2 8, 8 multi 2 16, and it is will be equals to 32. Therefore we can say 2 raised to the power 4 is smaller than 2 raised to the power 5. It is very simple to solve and understand. You can solve the remaining questions with the help of the solutions of given questions. If you have any problem or doubt, then you can ask to me. Okay, dear students, thanks for watching. Keep watching the videos, continue and keep continue your study. Thank you so much.